Hi, in front of me is Realme 8 and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard's theme on this device. First of all, go into settings, then scroll all the way down, tap on additional settings, go into keyboard and input method, tap on your current keyboard, in my case Gboard, and finally go into theme. Over here you need to tap on show more to see all available options, and when you're done you can click at the color. Click on the switcher next to keyboarders to disable or enable them and tap apply. You can do the same by clicking on one of these images. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!